Hello and welcome to Best with Streamers, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys on how you can redeem gift cards and game codes on Steam. So if it's a gift card, for example, a money, the Steam gift wallet gift codes, this one's, these ones. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys on how you can redeem them, as well as how you can redeem some game CD keys that you can get for Steam. All you want to do is head over to view my wallet and then press on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet, and then type in your code, which I do not have with me because I did not purchase any gift cards. Type in that gift card code and then press on continue, and that's gonna be it. And that's it. Actually, there's nothing else to do. And if it's a CD key, all you want to come over here, down here, press on add a game, activate a product on Steam, go next, agree, put in that CD key, and voila, press on next once again, and yeah, that should be it again, once again. It's as simple as that. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss out on the future uploads. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.